Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I have to admit that I have never spattered anything, and I want a spattered background. So I'm going to try whatever it takes using a toothbrush, starting with some Anita's White Metallic. And I think I could probably tap it on something better than I could spray it, but I'm going to try that first. That didn't work too badly. So I have to do that again. Kind of like more. I wanted to use a whole bunch of colors. We'll see what happens. I'll try the gold next. It might be thicker than the white. The white was Anita's White Metallic. That's not working, so let's try something else. Ha! What am I going to do about that? Trying to do whatever it takes. This is part of a synthetic sponge, silicone sponge. And I kind of figure it doesn't matter how I begin. I think I'm going to do more of that. This is Tickled Pink. This is some iridescent silver. When it comes out. I've got some deep amethyst. And some blue velvet. Might as well go in for the whole thing. This is Whispering Wisteria. I want a little more Tickled Pink down here. Sort of a cosmic scene, I think. I made up a color that I'm calling Tangerine. It had holly berry added to sour lemon. This is African Violet, which is looking very similar to that red violet. In any case, I'm just going to go make myself a wild background. I think I want a little bit more Tickled Pink and a little more gold. And I don't mind the white spatters. And I got my synthetic sponge at probably at Marshall's. I kind of like something that's a lot more red in there, and I'm thinking the Dancing Fuchsia is calling to me. It's still not red, and there's not much left, so come on, something. I really ought to stop and make up some more of that. Interesting way to make a background. I like this color. I didn't get to keep enough of it. Okay, that's a background. We'll see what happens when it dries. Do I want more tickled pink? I haven't left yet. Can always add more layers. But before it gets any more muddy, I think I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Although I'm still being called to more blue. And if I can get some to come out, it's more silver. I really need to mix like 10 different paint colors. That silver reminds me I could probably put Anita's White Metallic in and be pretty happy with that too, even though that's what I started with. There isn't really a lot on there. It doesn't cling on. I'm going to call that good. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.